Is this turning? Oh shit! Fridgebits is only good against Knight. Like, yes, Fridgebits is brutal. Sit down. Let's put a... Can you see from there?
I can see from here.
Alright, good.
Okay, so we got Sonic versus Squirtle. Two characters that I hate playing against. Well, mostly Sonic. But yeah, mostly because these characters just do things and I don't know what's happening.
Yeah, Knight just got off a win with Mr. B.
Yeah, I saw that.
Right? Crazy for him. And now he has to play Fridgebits, who I think he's always lost to.
What's up, Prem?
That's not true. I've run oh wait, no, I ran different polls on the Shockfish channel and the Silicon Smash channel.
Yeah.
I have not run very many polls on the NorCalPM channel.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna leave this one up until like I need another poll. The poll right now is just how free is Prem, and it says free, very free, so very free. Those are your only options.
I call him very free. He's not so very free, but he's very free.
The winning one right now is so very free. Oh, my mic is clipping just a little bit. I'm sorry.
What does that mean?
This little red light means that we're talking either too close or too loud. And I can just adjust the gain right here. And adjust the output volume. But I mean, anyways, Fridgebits, right?
I'm sorry to get this A game coming.
I hadn't eaten until just now. I ate what I didn't know what to do.
Actually, Knight's playing really well today. His game is really crisp.
His edge guarding was on point. That's kind of what I look for. Is he edge guarding? He's playing good. If he's not edge guarding, he's playing good.
And he's taunted out of back defense.
Yeah. He loves the glasses.
Not taunt. Until there's like already dead. He's got a lead though. I mean, this isn't a solid lead, but it's a lead. If you can get a lot of extra percent on free.
Yeah, but the problem is Fridgebits switched to Luigi, and I think that really missed Knight up. Knight probably has a much better shot against Fridge's Sonic, just with the negative so much. And negative and Knight talk about this match. So the Sonic one is like, he sort of has some idea what to do, whereas the Luigi one, he's got no idea.
Well, you have to have played Fridge a long time to know.
Good job, Knight.
Okay, and then Fridge his edge guarding is... Let's just say if you combine Fridge's edge guarding, or Fridge's neutral game with my edge guarding, you'd have a very good player.
You've said that a couple times.
Because it's so true. Because he has a substantially better neutral than I do. But, I mean, if he could edge guard like I could, then he'd be a good player. But he can't. He's not.
I want to try at some point, because right now we're using a CRT, and it's at 4 API, with the capture, with the gaming monitor set. There is, whatever lag is on the monitor, I think that's all the lag they have, so it's less than a frame. I didn't want to do it for tourneys, but it looks so good on stream. It's way higher quality than interlacing bullshit.
Yeah.
So I want to do that at some point so people can see it, figure out how much lag is acceptable or not. Lightweight can't hit the monitor.
I'm talking a lot quieter than I usually do when I'm on the mic, I will say that for sure.
I am talking a little bit louder. I still want to get headsets. The headsets are 150 to 200 each.
Do you have to get the really good ones?
You need ones that work with that and that have a non-unit or non-omnidirectional mic.
Yeah. Oh, and he got the spring. That was cute. I liked it. Wow, Fridge actually kind of took, well, not that he was really that far behind, but he took the lead. Now he's just basically going for extra credit because the likelihood of him killing him before Knight takes the stock is very low.
Alright, even game basically. Last stock, game 1.
8%, not a big deal. Yeah, Knight's playing really well today.
Down smash though? I think he could have gone for another grab, but what do I know? Wow.
50,
he almost did the surf up combo.
Surf's up, cool kids, and this is the right stage for that too. Both these characters can kill off the roof relatively decently.
The surf up combo is different than the surf up cool kids, but yes. Forward smash. 15%. Okay, but stuff started. Oh my god, the spot dodge.
And the up.
Don't do it. Okay, good. He did not up B. I was so scared. He's like, the up B is not gonna work. Up B's not gonna work against Fridge. He's ready for it. He's made videos about Squirtle's up B. Do not do it against
And
him.
back to the Luigi.
Oh, Chris is wearing the Squirtle shirt during the set. Amazing.
Hey Chris, nice shirt for the matchup.
Where was the up B?
Shut up, Casey.
Okay, this is much harder for Knight, as I was saying. He doesn't know what to do against Luigi. And he's been trying to figure it out, but he only really plays against Luigi against Nightcrawler's Luigi or Fridge. That's basically it.
Well,
and Nightcrawler hasn't been here in a bit.
Those are the only two Luigis we have. And Fridge doesn't always play Luigi, so
Yeah.
it's actually kind of hard to get matchup experience. I used to play.
That was so cool!
It wasn't enough.
Hold leg. Hold leg! That's not gonna be enough.
Man, you guys both load edge guard.
I mean, he was gonna make it past the stage, but holding ledge forced him to come on stage, and then he could have forward aired, could have reset it. But okay. It happens.
I would have just gone out there and hit him with during the beat or down beat.
Teach him how to edge guard.
I
Make your edge guarding video.
I taught Red X how to edge guard. That's how he beat Venom.
Venom.
You should have made it. Or he should have at least, at the very least, had a chance to play against Hotline again.
What are you gonna do?
Make a post on Reddit and make sure this doesn't happen again. At least do my part to make sure it doesn't happen. Alright, so Fridge actually has, this is a full stock lead. Not too big of a deal considering it's the first stock, but you know.
They go back to the same stage. Yeah, right?
Yeah, they did.
Yeah, like I was saying, much less knowledgeable.
Now this is a lead. Now, Crystal and Nat from Bagels, it's a safer way to get your misfire coming. Yes, now he's got his misfire stored.
Good dodge.
I feel like he should have used it there just to make sure he didn't die, because you know having the mischarge,
He was a high percent. It's one of those like Wario WAF things where like high percent, like you gotta pick and choose.
Don't you lose the misfire when you die though? I taught him that combo.
Yeah, I think you keep it, but I'm not sure.
Yeah, this is looking like a bit of a blowout for game 2. Knight has to learn this matchup really quick if he wants to come back and go into the
I don't think Knight adapts or learns matchups mid-set. I don't think he has that.
Ooh! Oh, almost.
Against the floating too. What
Yeah, right.
was he at?
Nope. And that's probably no, because
it's weird watching these two play because these two have like the craziest wave dash in the game,
Right?
right? So they're just slipping and sliding, moving all around, getting all weird.
Is Squirtle slipperier than Ice Climbers now?
I don't think so.
In Melee, Ice Climbers is number 2 and Mewtwo's number 3. I feel like Squirtle is now number 3, slipperier than Mewtwo. But I don't quote me.
I don't know.
But I feel like Squirtle is the third slippery.
That's a question for Bram.
Over Ice Climbers? I feel like Ice Climbers is more, but I wouldn't be super surprised if somebody correct me. Anybody in stream happen to know? Bram, you're watching this, right?
I think he said he left for a little bit.
Okay.
He was here. He was waiting in a parking lot. I'm the tiniest bit percent nervous that I didn't click local recordings, but we'll see. It was set on before, so it should be fine.
Let's hope.
Either way, the stream is preserved on XSplit, or on Hitbox. The next time I restart the stream, I'll check.
Oh, that was tragic.
Brutal.
Luigi's not hard to edge guard, but he's not easy to edge guard. He's kind of like he's medium to edge guard.
Oh,
Yeah, won't do it though. He's got his down. Oh no, he doesn't have his down. Just kidding.
right, even game. Where are you when we need you? Casey was touching.
Yeah, that armor just seems to go right through weak projectiles.
For melee, we have Boost, setup 2.
Hey, like I said, game 3. Yeah, well, Fridge kind of wrecked him in game 2 because he went Luigi. Knight's fairly familiar with the Sonic matchup because he plays -0 a lot of times.
He also talks to -0.
I get the impression that -0 doesn't like him. Really? He says weird things.
No negative to be a very nice person.
He never treats me mean or whatever.
For melee, we have
A lead, a tiny, tiny lead. A glimmer of hope in the distance. Never mind. The glimmer of hope is gone. Knight smiled.
Rip lead. Rip lead. I'm actually a little surprised that jump didn't connect. I feel like Fridge needs to stop with the fireballs. They're not working. They're just not doing much of anything at all. And Knight's just he's not adapting to the down B approach. Chris is just gonna keep doing it until it stops working. And if he doesn't figure it out really quick, he's gonna get hurt because it's working. It's working pretty well, and it's super punishable, but you have to know how to do it. You basically have to sit in your shield and then aerial out of shield, and it's a free hit.
That was a good bubble from ledge. That's a safe, usually safe approach. Fridge read it.
Ooh. Yeah, that would have been a crucial forward air there to try to get the stock really quick. This is if Knight gets too much extra credit or receives too much extra credit, which is like is happening right now, that's going to be a really dire comeback. He's 69%, so Knight's in trouble.
Yeah.
That's 69%.
That was close. That was good. Fucking Mr. B win. Fridge is a hard opponent. What can we do?
All right, so I'm gonna go watch the game that I need to pin the winner.
All right, go ahead, man.